How does military technology transfer affect regional security balances? When advanced weapons move from one country to another, power dynamics shift. Technology transfers decide who dominates, who deters, and who becomes vulnerable in regional security environments. 10 ways technology transfer shapes regional security. 1. Power redistribution. Transfers of fighter jets, missile systems, or drones can instantly strengthen one nation over rivals, altering military balances. 2. Deterrence boost. New capabilities such as advanced air defense systems discourage aggression and give weaker states stronger defensive credibility. 3. Arms race triggers. When one country upgrades, neighbors respond by buying or developing similar weapons, escalating regional tensions. 4. Strategic dependency. Recipients rely on suppliers for parts, maintenance, and upgrades, creating long-term political and military alignment. 5. Proxy influence. Major powers transfer technology to allies or partners to counter influence from rival blocs without direct involvement. 6. Domestic defense growth. Tech-sharing agreements help nations build local defense industries, reducing foreign dependency and increasing self-reliance. 7. Export controls. Countries use restrictions as political leverage, granting tech only to allies who support their security and diplomatic goals. 8. Espionage risk. Advanced weapons increase fears of technology theft, cyber intrusion, and intelligence operations targeting defense secrets. 9. Interoperability advantages. Shared platforms allow allies to train together seamlessly, strengthening coalition warfare and joint operations. 10. Conflict outcomes. Military technology can decide the results of wars, giving technologically advanced forces dominance on the battlefield. Subscribe and stay updated.